right, folks. So in this morning's Fun Stop, we'll be given a series of definitions for words commonly used in Jamaican vernacular. We will then attempt to guess the word based on its definition. So here we go. Ready, Nella Bellers?
These things, come on, let's go. Boom.
Verb meaning to sneak or sneak past. Screechy.
You know,
Oh my God!
Chair, and I'll just stand up and wait and just.
Did you know that?
I did not know that. Very poor or without impact.
Fenke, fenke.
Jeez, all right, let me just read. Okay, yeah.
Girl, I'm in my bag here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Skinny or underweight?
Maga.
I got one.
Hey, good job.
All right. Problems, vexations,
Crosses.
Okay. Girl, you good at this.
Why me have so much of them? That's straight.
Messy, disorderly, untidy.
Chacker. I should be embarrassed. This is how I speak every day.
Bandit, criminal, one living
by guile.
Guile. What?
Thief. One living by guile. What does guile mean?
Girl, I don't know the Jamaican word. I don't.
Bandit, criminal.
Thief, no?
Yeah, well.
What is the answer?
Bad mind? It's not bad mind. Bandulo.
Oh.
Do you
guys have like a Jamaican a book of phrases and stuff?
We should. I'm sure there's one exists. Any hot beverages tea in Jamaica?
Okay.
Anything. Coffee.
Good job, Simi.
Yeah. I want to question Bandulo, but I don't know where the judges are.
Good, great.
Jamaican vernacular?
I'm not very good at this game. Good, great. Can I tell you what it is?
It can be Chris, everything Chris, curry.
Can I tell you what it would be in St. Lucia?
What? Tell me.
Bon.
Bon?
Yeah.
Bon, like B-O-N? Bon?
Yeah. But you don't pronounce the N. Bad. Good, great is bad.
There are several others though.
Okay.
Or mad. Can mad too, but have to have two A.
Support something else as with a forked stick to balance something or place it temporarily.
Catch.
Jesus Christ. Greedy, avaricious.
Gravalicious.
Did you produce this segment?
This is how I speak every day. I'm embarrassed to say. Oh, I'm done?
Thank you, Jesus. Good job, Simi.
Sim speak. I'm embarrassed to say that I teach speech, but this is how I talk every day. Lucian words. So
you want to do Lucian words?
So rack up the list again and make Nella tell us the Lucian words for the ones that we had before. What was the first one? Tell me now.
Curly,
just tell me in my ear.
Go to rap right there, so.
It's not time
rap.
yet.
Oh.
3 minutes.
Okay, good Lucian words. But it's not like you're going to get it.
What's the Lucian word for greedy?
What is the St. Lucian word for greedy? Voas.
Like voracious.
Voas, like V-O-W-A-S-S. Voas. Say it.
You're very voas. Don't be so voasish.
Verb meaning to sneak or...
How you say it in a sentence?
What that?
Voas.
Tiboy sa voas.
Tiboy.
Tiboy sa voas. Tifi sa voas. Say timamai sa voas.
You're not for trace. Me just ask you one thing.
How it sound? It sound like I'm tracing?
No, it does.
Actually,
Tiboy is the boy.
You're right. This boy is greedy. Okay, so Tifi, that's, fee.
Oh, fee.
Right? Tifi sa voas. Timamai sa voas. So I just said you boy, girl, and child. Yes, we are French Creole speaking people, y'all. So the Haitians, the people from Martinique, Guadeloupe. Yeah.
Next one.
That's how we go.
We need a segment with a lesson from Nella Bella. Can we get another word, please? So Nella can show us.
Simi, we're kind of matching.
One more. Skinny or underweight?
Skinny or underweight? Okay.
Tiboy.
Meg. We say Meg.
Yeah, man.
Meg.
Maga.
Meg. Yeah, Meg.
Tiboy Meg. Tiffy Meg.
Oh, I cannot say that one. Messy, disorderly, untidy.
Why is that bad?
Okay, yes, salop. S-A-L-O-P.
Salop.
If my mother is watching this from wherever, she's probably going like, oh my God.
Ah. Hi, Mom. How is your mom doing, by the way?
She is amazing.
Fantastic.
Bandit, criminal. Okay. All right, I'm going to have to give that one some thought. Criminal, any, sasho, show. Any beverage, say sasho.
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 Is that what?
It means it's hot. Show, hot.
So like if you're saying like I'm hot, do you say Tiffy Sasho?
No.
Okay, I'm just checking. That's what you'll be saying, I'm a hot beverage, which is not really what we're trying to say. Yeah. How you say the girl hot?
Girl, sexy, I guess. I don't know.
Thanks.
Kagade bon.
Okay.
She looks good.
Appreciate that.
It sounds boring, no?
Kagade
I'm
bois.
probably not.
Je kade bois. Je.
Probably.
You know something I like how you laugh though, Frandy?
No man, you sound good still, you know.
You need to go back in the newsroom.
Yeah, no.
Settings, because you're a problem, a vexation, a trial.
I could take this set with me and bring it over to the newsroom. I would perform a lot better, I swear.
No can do.
All right, bad luck. I'm gonna have to give this one some thought. So this is the thing. Growing up, I never really used to speak patois.
I know, you told me.
I know.
Because your mother was not having it.
I know. So I'll get back to you on that one.
You too lie, you'd well I know.
I don't know that one. I have to give it some thought.
2 hours later.
I'm just saying, Shane, you're on point this morning. Shane is on point this morning. I think that's enough of us.
I had a great time.
It's nice having you. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. And it only took you like 1.5 hours to wake up. That's great. Good job.
Stop.